calling. I will never pick your call. So you must be very stupid to think that I will pick your call.
Masnachi, pick the call now.
Papa, I won't pick the call. I don't want to talk to him.
Okay, Nikwano.
Oh, where are?
Why have you not been taking my calls? I've been ringing you.
That's because I do not want this relationship anymore. I don't.
You must be joking, right?
I am not joking with you.
No, seriously, you must be joking.
Please have your ring. I'm no longer interested.
Wait. You're giving me back my ring? After everything I did for you and your family?
I know that's what you will capitalize on. Yes, you have done a whole lot for my father and I. But please, whatever you might have done for us is nothing compared to the love I have for Ikenna. I love him so much and I can't leave him because of you.
I see.
So just take your ring and go.
I see. You're saying this Gilberish because of that lunatic, right?
Please do not call him a lunatic.
No, he's a lunatic.
He is not.
You are giving me back my ring because of that lunatic.
He is not. Hey, okay. Welcome.
Now listen, let me tell you, fool. Listen, and listen very, very good. It's either I win or we both lose. Because as far as I'm concerned, you are not going to have her.
Alright, just shut up and leave this place. Okay? You have no portion in this heart. Yeah. So, just go.
Really?
You have no place here.
I see.
Sorry, what's that on your hand?
It's his ring and I've been giving it to him. He has refused to take it. Have your ring.
Come on.
I should get out. Okay then. We will know who is going to get out from the surface of this earth. We'll see to that.
Have your ring.
Hey! Take it.
It's okay.
No, it's okay.
She took me for a fool. After everything I did for her. Really? She abandoned me for that idiot. Okay. Let me get home first. Get home first. Good day, Dad.
Chimobi, where are you coming from? You left office since morning and you are coming back just now.
Dad, I went somewhere.
Somewhere more important than your duty post in the office.
It's about my life.
your life. I hope it's not about the adoption issue.
No, I've gotten over that. It's just a personal issue, so I went to solve it.
Chimobi, your sudden change of attitude has cost my company an incalculable loss, and you know that.
Sorry, Dad. I'll make that up.
I hope so.
Yeah, come in.
Excuse me, sir. There's a police officer outside there. He said he wants to see you.
A police officer.
Yes, sir.
Did he tell you the reason for the visit?
Not at all, sir.
Okay. Let him in then.
Okay, sir.
Mr. Sima. Inspector Jonah.
Oh, you're welcome, Inspector. How may I help you?
I was passing by. I say, let me stop and greet you. How's work?
Work is fine.
I can see you. You don't recognize me.
That's what I'm trying to, see if I've met you from somewhere, but it's not ringing a bell.
I am one of the officers that came here the other time for an arrest when you were having issue with a young man.
Oh, I remember now. That later went to the hospital, right?
Yeah.
Wow, nice to meet you. You're welcome. You're welcome.
Here you go, my love. Where are you headed?
I'm going to the chemist. I'm not feeling too fine. I need to get some medications.
Are you having fever or what?
I don't know. I think it's malaria. I don't even know what's wrong.
Oh, sorry, eh?
Thank you.
You'll be fine.
Just come here.
Oh, how I hate this girl. The way she now walks around the village, carrying her head high.
To even think two men are fighting for her. Please, I'm not feeling too fine. I have a headache. I can't talk plenty.
She will definitely lose those two men. I told you. She
Yes,
will.
well, let me go in. I'll see you later.
No problem. I'll come to your house later, you hear? Take care of yourself.
Kena, what is going on? What is going on? You're one leg in here, the other one in the village. What is happening?
Listen, nothing. Just that Ma is the only source of my happiness. And I'm trying to make sure things are not falling apart.
My brother's business is suffering serious setback. And he's not going to be happy with you once he comes back.
It's okay, I'll try and put things right once I'm settled.
You will try. Ikenna, when would that be? When would that be? You abandon my brother's business all because of a woman.
Please try and understand me.
Let me tell you the truth. I am not happy with you. And I'm sure my brother won't be happy with you.
Tracy. See, the thing is this. Ma is the only consolation I had when I lost my brother. Yes, I'm just trying to make sure I don't lose her.
You don't lose her to the detriment of my brother's business. Are you serious?
I'm sorry, it won't happen again. Okay?
We meet again, but this time not as friends, but as enemies.
You know it all.
Have you decided to leave Mma, or you're still gambling with your life?
Ma is mine, and mine forever. She's my wife. Maybe you're the one gambling with your life. You need to check it.
Oh, really?
Yes.
This guy is gambling with his life.
Ah, Chimobi. You're still awake.
Yes.
Hope you're fine.
I'm fine.
Like you're fine.
I'm fine, Mom.
Ah, that reminds me. What about the young lady you engaged? Is the relationship still on?
Yes.
Then what's still stopping you from bringing her home? We need to see this girl.
Don't worry, Mother. Very soon you will see her.
Oh, you keep telling me very soon. Okay, tell me something. Is she pretty? Like, she's beautiful? What's her qualification? Like, who is her father? You know?
She's beautiful, Mother.
Very tall, fair, tall like your mom. You know what I mean?
Mother, do not worry. Very soon you will see her.
Consider the job done. Just pay me 200,000 naira only.
I'll give you 100,000.
You know what? Just make it 150. Deal?
Deal.
Okay, how do I locate him? Any picture or any other thing?
There's no picture. I'll give you the shop address and a perfect description of him.
The job is not going to be easy. Okay, just give me 100,000 naira. Then after the job, you balance me the remaining 50.
Good. That should be 100,000. Do your job with no clash.
Trust me 100%, but don't like me at all. Give me something for
The description, right?
yeah.
Slice it. He's tall and dark. Shop address is 234.
Chimo. Goodness.
Another surprise.
Yes, what a surprise indeed.
Come on, what are you doing here?
Chimobi, I should be asking you that. This is my village.
Oh,
Yes. Ma, how are you?
I'm fine.
I can see that.
oh, I see. You both know each other?
Yes, of course.
Oh, I see.
Yeah, yeah.
Well, meet my fiancée. I'm actually in this village because of her. Babes, meet my friend. I mean, we've been bumping into each other for some...
Excuse me. I think you're joking or something.
Joking? Does it look...
This is the woman I want to get married to. And she's the reason I came back too.
Come on, man. You must be joking,
No,
right?
no, I'm not joking. I'm serious. I'm very serious. Yes,
No,
I'm serious.
You can be serious because I have performed some preliminary rites on her. Even her father is aware. Are you sick or something?
It's see, this cannot happen over my dead body. It can't. Ma.
Oh, babes, what is this lunatic talking about?
Hey, excuse me. Did you just call me lunatic?
Well, take a chill pill, lunatic. I just want to get something straight.
Excuse me.
What is it?
Did you just call me that?
Oh, come on. Take a chill pill, you lunatic.
Anyway, excuse. Ma, what is going on? No. What is going on?
Okay, she wanted to see me off before.
No, sorry, excuse me. This cannot happen.
He called for it. I need to have my woman back. I wish I had a picture of him.
Where the money? You want to do what? Which money? Okay, the way do you see anyone in that boy? Do you see anyone in that boy? Please let me tell you, nobody will help that woman. Okay? Why? Johnny just come on when you one book. Nobody will help this woman. Please let me tell you, this woman wiped away a family of mother and two children. Only have a question in our corner, only have a question. They are happy your business. Call this way. So like, why are you still looking at that? See, this woman, the mother and Jesus two children away. Ndoka and Dikeh. She did that. You don't even know their whereabouts. See, then, what have you also? Is the iron jacob? So, why have you been sued? That's why, yeah. Okay, we take a watch him in our Kogo. Hey, correct score. No.
Chukwu ga-enyere gị aka ebe isiri wepụta onye nwe m ga-emere gị ya na mmaji o.
You kept me waiting here for 20 minutes. I'm sorry, I had personal issues I needed to sort out. What's up? We dealt with him and destroyed many things in the shop. Nice. Are you sure you attacked the main person? See, I am Jeff.
I don't joke with my job. My balance, please.
I like that. Check it out.
Trust me 100%, but don't like me.
Nice one.
Hey, what is it? Why are you running like that? Ma, something terrible has happened. What happened? I got a call saying that Ikenna was attacked by some gunmen. That's not true. That's true. My Ikenna was attacked. How? How did it happen? I don't know. I think they came to kill him. Who gave you the information? Chelsea. She called me on the phone. What is the situation of things now? I don't know. She said he's in the hospital. You have to call Tracy. Let's know where to look for him. Please. I don't have airtime. Wait, let me get my phone. Jesus Christ. I don't even know how to say this to Mama. Eh?
Okay, hold on. He's here.
Hello, sir. Good afternoon. So I was attacked by some unknown gunmen at the shop. And they destroyed my goose in the shop, isn't it? It is true, sir. I have nothing to tell you now until I come back. You must give me proper account of the business I left for you. Hello, sir. Hello? Hello? You didn't tell me you've told him.
That's not my problem. Ikenna, you have to tell me who sent those men after you. Because as it stands now, I'm no longer safe in this house.
I'm yet to know who sent those men and the reason behind it.
You better do. You better do because I have to be safe in my brother's house. Please.
What is wrong with you? What is wrong with you? Don't talk to me.
Ma.
Now let me tell you. I am no longer interested in this relationship.
Ma, at least give me a listening ears, please.
I do not want to listen to you. Do you understand that? Leave me alone. I am done.
Ma, that is hard for me to do.
You
I
don't
cannot
have a
leave you.
choice but to leave me alone. Let me be, please.
Ma.
Let go.
Ken, I've been looking for you. My brother wants to see you now.
I am coming.
He said now, like
I
now.
said I am coming.
Where is he?
He's coming.
He's coming? Did you tell him I want him immediately?
I told him he's coming.
Now listen to me. First thing tomorrow morning, I want you to pack your things and leave my house. Don't just say anything. I don't want to hear anything. I can't believe it that you left my business to start fighting over a woman. What a nonsense. I've heard everything that happened and I've heard enough.
Sir.
I said I don't want to hear anything. I should have locked you up for damaging my goods. First thing tomorrow morning, make sure you leave my house.
Can I talk?
I don't want to. I said I don't want to hear anything. How many times have I rescued you from police cell because of this same matter? And I can't even believe I'm losing goods worth millions of naira because of this same issue. Don't let me see you tomorrow morning. Because if I see you, I'm going to do something stupid.
Tracy, please help me beg him.
Beg who? Beg who? I told you. I warned you. And now, if you had listened to me, all these things would have happened.
Ikenna, I haven't heard you are operating an account. No problem. Tomorrow morning, you take me to your bank, you transfer every kobo in that account into my account. You came here with nothing and you go with nothing.
Tracy, why are you doing this to me? Why?
Are you kidding me? Like you asked me that question. Ikenna, like, you're serious right now. Ikenna, please, oh, I beg you. I have done nothing. He asked me and I told him the truth. The whole truth. After all, you were busy chasing that village girl. And my brother lost everything. Now you want to put the blame on me. Count me out of it.
Has he finished paying his sins?
Yes, brother.
Good. So what is he waiting for?
Brother, please, I would like to say something.
Tracy, what is it?
Brother, please, I beg you. I am here to plead on his behalf again, brother, please. Brother, please, he's a nice guy. I don't know what came over him. Please, brother.
Tracy, don't tell me anything. Ikeda is leaving my house today.
Brother, I understand why you have to be angry. I perfectly understand. But please, brother, all I beg is second chance. Just give him second chance, brother. Ikenna is a nice guy. He's hardworking. He's ready to bear the cost of his loss. Please, brother, consider the progress he made within a short period of time, brother. Please, just second chance is all I ask.
Tracy, I don't like this. You are putting me in a tight corner.
Brother,
I don't like this.
Brother, please, because of me, I beg you in the name of God. Because of me, brother, do it for me. If not for him, for me.
Oh, Tracy.
Brother, please, I beg you. Please. For me, brother, please. I beg you.
It's alright. Go and call him for me. It's alright.
Thank you very much. You are the best. Thank you.
So I'm here.
Ikenna. So. I don't care what people will say. I know people will call me names if I send you out of my house. But you see, I don't care. But anyway, I've just changed my mind. I'm giving you a second chance. I'm giving you a second chance, and I don't want this to repeat itself. But I want to let you know that all those my goods damaged by that man because of you, you are going to pay for it. That's just the punishment I'm giving you.
Sir, I will pay. I'm so sorry for everything.
Okay. Please forgive me. It's all right. Get up. It's okay. Just make sure this do not repeat itself, please. So go and get ready for market, okay?
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much, brother. Thank you. You're the best.
All right.
Thank you. God bless you.
All right.
Is Emma aware that you are back?
No, I didn't tell her. I don't even know that my Oga will give me the permission to come back and see Mama.
Okay. Ikenna, don't you think Chimobi sent those gunmen after you?
I think you're right, because my Oga said the same too.
Hey.
Yes, Chimobi is the only person I had problems with, and I know how desperate he is about Mama.
So what are we going to do? Don't you think we should report him to the police? At least for your safety.
Going to the police, I have to give them a proof, and I don't have a tangible proof for that.
Ikenna, honestly, you don't have to keep quiet. This is your life. Your life is involved. Eh? Oko makando.
I know. I'll think about it.
So bad. You just be fast about it. Biko makando. Oh?
Ike, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry about everything that happened.
It's okay. At least I thank God that I'm still alive today to see your face again. What if I had died?
No. God forbid. You will never die. No. Don't say a thing like that.
You know, every finger is pointing at Chimobi. Do you think he has a hand in this?
No. Why would he do a thing like that? I don't think he has a hand in it. Why would he want to harm you because of a woman?
I don't know, because anything can happen. Chimobi is not happy you left him.
I know he's not happy I left him, but I don't think he will ever indulge in such. Maybe someone must have sent them, not him. My darling, there are two types of enemies. The enemy you know, and the one you do not know. Chimobi is the enemy you know. What about the others?
Chimobi is desperate to have you.
He is desperate to have me, but I am not. I already told him that I am no longer interested, that it is over between us, which I gave him his ring. You were there. I don't know what he was.
You? Yes, me. Are you surprised? You thought I'm dead? No, I'm not dead. I'm still alive.
Chimobi, what are you doing here? I told you it is over between us. What do you want here?
You heard her.
Just go.
Okay. Nice one.
Have a nice day.
What does he want from me? He's not just bulging. So stubborn.
Very stubborn.
Yeah, hello, Jeff.
What's up with you now?
Jeff, I'm disappointed.
About what?
About the job I gave you. You failed to carry out my instructions.
Bro, I did exactly what you asked me to do for you.
You did nothing. I saw the guy a few minutes ago with my girl. What do you mean you did the job? I told you to put fear in him so he won't get close to my baby. Is that not what I told you?
Bro, trust me 100%, but don't like me at all. Believe me.
You did nothing, Muggle. Now listen, we need to see. Where are you? Okay, I'm coming to see you right away.
Okay.
You messed up, man. Simple instructions. Did the job.
Boss, what's up now? Who be that nigga?
Bruno, our man is very angry with us. So.
Why?
He said that we didn't carry out his instructions.
Boss, we did what he asked us to do now. Waiting. Okay, if you want me to do another job and I make him bring more money.
I think that is what he needs to do. This time around, more deal, more money.
Boss, I believe you, die. I believe you. That is spirit. I believe you.
We lose nothing. And we still got nothing to lose.
So, if you want more job, make him bring money.
Roll up, no.
Ikenna, it is high time you forgot about all this. You need to move on with your life. It is high time. You have to stop this. Trust me, I understand how you feel right now. I do. But no, you cannot continue like this. You're human. You need to be happy, please.
Ma, I wish I can turn the hand of clock. I feel pained in my heart whenever I remember I failed my younger brother.
You shouldn't be pained. Remember, you're human. You're bound to make mistakes. And I'm telling you right now that I'm here to be with you, body and soul. Please. I am here to fill the vacuum in your life. Please.
Ma, the incident is very fresh. Still very fresh in my heart.
I understand. But you have to let go. You should let go. You should be happy. You deserve everything good. Please. I beg you.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. It's fine. That reminds me. You're supposed to have gone back today. What happened?
I decided to leave a day after tomorrow.
Why?
My master, Naija, is coming into town today.
Okay.
So he asked me to stay back so we can live together.
It's fine. It's okay. Everything will be fine. Alright?
Thank you.
She's not peeking.
Papa, just leave me alone.
Masnachi,
I've not done anything to you in this house, so leave me alone.
I said pick the call.
I will not pick the call.
This is my in-law calling. I don't want to pick the call.
Whose in-law? Whose in-law?
My in-law.
Have I accepted to marry him?
You will.
Papa, please, if it's so important to you, pick the call and leave me alone.
No. If I pick it, you will not be happy. Pick this call. You must pick.
Papa,
pick this call. Pick this call.
Papa, I will lock you outside, though. Papa, leave me alone. No.
You must pick this call today.
I said I will not pick.
I said you will pick the call today. Pick this call.
Why is she not taking her calls? It's obvious she changed her mind.
So, you'll be leaving for the city?
Yes, I just have to go. But I will always call you.
I'll miss you.
I will miss you more.
Please, be safe for me, okay?
I will. I will call you constantly.
Please do. Please.
You said you have an important place to go to.
Yes, there is something I really need to sort out.
Okay, I hope all is well.
Everything is perfect. And listen, if you don't always call me, I will come meet you there. I will come grab you there. Do you understand?
No problem. I'm so glad you're...
Alright, my darling. I'll have to leave now. I'll call you.
Okay.
Don't be like that. Alright.
Okay.
Bye.
Take care. Bye.
Bye.
Atakuro kwage.
Akwamo.
Atakuro kwage.
Akwamo. I'm so sorry I kept you waiting.
I'm wondering, I've been ringing you and you're not taking your calls.
Oh, I wasn't with my phone. I left it because I was hurrying to meet up with you.
Okay. So, you asked to see me?
Yes. Chimobi, I asked to see you because I want this cold war between you and Ikenna to end. I want it to end already, please.
Ma, you already know the only way to end the Cold War, like you said. It's very simple. Tell Ikenna to leave you alone. I love you. Look, I see you as a big consolation in my life. I'm a nobody. I want you to make me feel like somebody.
I don't understand. What do you mean by that?
I'm not a true son of the people I call my parents.
How? What are you saying?
Hold on. Let me show you something.
What is this? What is this?
That's me. Little Ndoka. Ndoka is my real name.
Oh my goodness. I can't believe my eyes. Ikenna needs to see this.
What?
Yes.
What has Ikenna got to do with my picture?
Because I think both of you are brothers.
Pardon?
Yes. He once showed me a picture like this, everything. And he told me that he lost his younger brother when they were young. And he also told me that his younger brother's name is Ndoka. And you just told me that you are Ndoka. The picture says the same. It's the same thing.
He has this kind of picture.
Exactly. Everything in it. Everything in it. That's why I said you need to see Ikenna, as soon as possible.
Are you serious?
Yes! I think he's your brother. I mean, everything. Everything. Let's go, please. Let's go. Come on, let's go. You can make the call while inside.
Wait. I need to settle this. I need to settle this.
Can we please?
Wait, just 1 minute. 1 minute.
It's very important. Can you get into the car? You can make the call there.
Kenna.
What are you still doing here now? Let's leave already.
Yeah, hello? Jeff. What's up? I've been calling you.
Huh.
Please, suspend everything. What? Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Where is he now? Where is he now?
Where is who? What is wrong? What is the problem? Talk to me. Chimobi, talk to me.
Something terrible just happened.
Something terrible. Something terrible like what?
We need to get Ikenna to the hospital now, as fast as we can.
Why are we taking
Let's go. Come.
Is he you sick or something? Oh my God! Get up! Oh!
That's why your face is like this. Is there any problem? Did you meet him at the office?
No. He has traveled to the village again.
Traveled to the village again? Is it because of the woman's issue?
I don't know. He just called me on my way home.
Okay.
Do you know what he asked me?
No.
If I know the name of the village where I picked him up when he was tender. Initially, I was confused.
Okay.
But when I told him the name of the village, he told me he has found his brother.
Hey! Found his brother? Which brother? How?
I couldn't understand him because he started crying on the phone. And when I tried calling him again, he couldn't explain himself. The next is he dropped the line.
He has found his brother. Which brother?
Let me try calling him again.
Honey, don't worry. Let's just go inside. You need to rest. I'll try his number myself. That's found. Eh?
Hey. Yes, sir.
Doctor, how is he?
Calm down, okay? There's nothing to be afraid of. He's yet to regain consciousness, but I'm sure he'll be fine.
Oh, doctor, how can you say that there's nothing to worry about when he's yet to regain consciousness?
Doctor, please, tell us the truth. Is he going to be all right?
Calm down. Like I said, there is nothing to be afraid of, okay? He's actually lucky. He was shot in the caviar. So, it's just that he has lost a lot of blood. A lot of blood. So we're going to need a pint of blood.
No, that's no problem. I'm here. I can donate blood. I'm his blood brother. Take my blood.
Oh, okay. In that case, just relax. The nurses will run the test on you and then everything will be done.
Doctor, please, don't allow anything to happen to him, please. Don't. I beg you.
It's okay. Like I said, he will be fine. Okay? Okay. Please come with me.
Sorry this is happening.
No. He should be blamed for everything. I pray he comes out of this alive.
He'll be fine.
Where is Ikenna?
Welcome, sir.
Where is Ikenna?
Ikenna, he went to your house.
Is that what he told you?
No. Welcome.
Good afternoon, man. I'm very, very angry with Ikenna. I cannot be calling him for the past 1 hour. He will not pick my call. What is wrong with him?
That's okay. Mama, I thought he told you he was going to his master's house.
Yes, Mama. That was what he said. I was even here when he left.
So, is that why he will not pick my call and tell me where he is? Anyway, I'm going back to the city. If he comes back, tell him I've gone back to the city. You should meet me there. Then we'll discuss it.
But, let me go. Exercise little patience. Maybe both of you missed yourselves on the road.
Yes. Sir, please don't be angry. Oh, let me run and look for him. Just give me some time. Let me go and look for him. Oh, I'm coming. Mama, Nadia. Mayo. This is Ikenna's bag. What could he be doing? Lord! Ikenna! Chimo! Mama!
How would I have known that my arch rival is my brother? God, please, save my blood brother's life. Please.
Chimobi, your parents, they are calling again. Please try and take the call.
I don't want to talk to anybody, please.
They will be worried about you by now.
I'm only concerned about my brother's life now. Not anybody, please.
Should I pick the call?
You can, anything.
It's okay. Everything will be fine, alright? I'll see the doctor. I'm coming.
Honey, has he not picked?
He has not.
Hi. So...
Hello? Hello? He has picked.
Okay.
Who are you? What are you doing with my son's phone?
Honey, who is that? Eh?
It's a lady's voice. Who are you? Okay. What?
What is it?
Okay, I'm coming, please.
Honey, what is it? Eh? Is my son okay?
Shimobi is in the hospital.
Hospital? How? The lady, she didn't tell you what has happened to my son.
Get me my car key. Please.
Hey, car keys, honey. Car keys.
Hurry up, please.
Indeed, this world is a small world.
Yeah, it is.
I mean, the world is a pot of beans, for real. Yeah. I mean, it's unbelievable. Honestly, I know I've said this countless times. I know I've tried to apologize for all the fights, scuffle, so many unspeakable things we did. You know. But then, I am saying it again, if not for anything, in the presence of my people here. I'm sorry, my brother. I am deeply, deeply sorry for everything. I'm sorry for everything I did wrong.
No, come on. It's okay. You see, we've been so ignorant of all these things. Okay? But it's not your fault. Now that I've found you, I'm so happy. I'm so happy, for real.
Oh, I still cannot believe this. I'm really sorry, my brother. I'm sorry. Deep down, I'm sorry.
It's okay. It's okay.
Honestly, I cannot contain my excitement. I'm so happy about this reunion.
Yeah, of course. I mean, I can't believe I've been fighting with my brother. you. But you're a bad guy, right? You gave me punch countless times that I couldn't get myself together.
Come here, Buwagisi then.
No, on the real. This is a priceless moment for me, for real. And it's something I would never forget in my lifetime. You get? And the truth is, you deserve to have Ma. Yeah. You deserve to, settle down or be with her, if you ask me.
No. You deserve her too. Yes. You know why? Now that I've found you, you deserve nothing but happiness. Mama loves you, so I want you to make her your wife.
You know, I can do anything for you, my brother. I want to see you happy. Forever. I don't want to do anything bad to you anymore. Okay? You met her first. Right? So, go ahead. I'm giving you my blessings. I'm giving you guys my blessings, yeah? Go ahead and get married. I support you and him. Okay? I support you. As a matter of fact, I am going to sponsor your wedding. All bills on me.
Thank you.
Oh, don't be like that. It's okay.
Ndo ka nwoke m. Ịma na ezigbo afa gị bụ Nduka.
Lord is thicker than water. I'm so happy for you. Thank you. Okay, let's all go inside.
Let's just
Come
go
on,
inside.
come on, let's go inside. Let's go inside.
You will not come police again for my brother.